back and forth on there. You know? Got it built up a little bit more over that tape. I doubt very seriously that's going to crack. If it does have a tendency to crack, it's only going to crack down to the tape, and then that tape's going to help hold everything else together. So chances are it's still not going to leak. Yes. I've got a good gallon left here at least. Maybe a little bit more even. I don't know why I'm putting that right in front of you. Now you're not going to see it. But this stuff stinks too. You get your head right up in there, so you know, if you want, you could take a dust mask up here with you whenever you're doing this to keep some of that smell from getting into your lungs. Okay, I think that's good. What do you think? I'd say we've done it, by Joe. Okay, now I'm done. The beauty of this 3-inch, now I can just take this and kind of clean the edges like that and get it down into the bottom. Because if I don't, next time I open this, chances are the stuff on the sides could dry a little bit, you know? Just do this at the end though. Don't keep doing this as you're going. You're going to get it all over yourself. Okay. I could go down a little bit further even. I don't have to get this perfectly flat at the bottom, but that might keep it nice and gooey for next time all together, like that. Yeah, what do you think about that? Kept myself pretty clean in the process too. Okay, come on, get off of there. There we go. A little bit off of the edge. See? Did pretty okay there. Ooh, I guess that didn't work too well, did it? Okay. That little bit's really not going to hurt anything. Now I can put the lid back on. Like that, and then I can just push the edges down. Just push them down, like that. And that's going to hold it. It's going to hold it down. Try not to get too much mastic all over the container, because once you do that, every time you pick it up, you're going to have it all over yourself. Well, there you go.